Namaste, dear students. Today we will read and understand our topic number 4, Guru Gobind Singh Ji, creator of Khalsa, the warrior community. Guru Gobind Singh Ji was born as Gobind Rai in Patna, Bihar. He was the only son of the ninth Guru, Tegh Bahadur Ji, and Mata Gujri. He had two wives, Mata Sahib Kaur and Mata Jito. His father was publicly executed, that is, publicly killed in front of all the public, by Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb for not converting, that is, changing the religion from Sikhism to Islam. Gobind Rai was only 9 years old when his father died. He was appointed as the 10th Guru of Sikhs. He got educated and learned the warrior strategies in Anandpur, Punjab. So everyone, our paragraph number 1 is the introduction of Guru Gobind Singh Ji. We saw that his father, who was the ninth Guru of Sikh religion, he was publicly killed, publicly executed by Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. एंड उनके फादर को इसीलिए औरंगज़ेब ने मारा था क्योंकि वो अपना धर्म परिवर्तन नहीं कर रहे थे. ही वॉज नॉट कन्वर्टिंग, चेंजिंग his religion and accepting Islam. And the sad part is that Guru Gobind Singh Ji तब सिर्फ 9 years के थे जब उन्होंने अपने फादर की डेथ देखी थी. And after that suddenly he became the next Guru of the Sikh culture. So he learnt many things in life at a very young age, and he saw many hardships, but he did not broke down. He became strong. So we will see something about his childhood. Right from his childhood, Guru Gobind Singh showed a keen interest in martial art. So बचपन से ही गोबिंद सिंह जी को मार्शल आर्ट्स में बहुत इंटरेस्ट था. Even in his childhood, he took part in mock fights. Mock means which is not real, fake, just for practice. So वो fights लड़ते थे just like अखाड़े में जाके, ताकि वो और strong बन जाएं. He became a master of sword, तलवार, bow and arrow. Also he learned horse riding. उनका एक और favorite task था घोड़ा सवार, horse riding. The languages known to him were Sanskrit, हिंदी, गुरुमुखी, which means गुरु के मुख से निकलने वाले शब्द. So the name of the language is Gurmukhi, which is a language in Punjabi. Script. Script means the characters and symbols that we write. Script मतलब जो चीज़ लिखी हुई है. For example, the holy scripture, the holy book, the Granth of Punjabis, the Granth of Sikh people, Guru Granth Sahib is written in Gurmukhi, and he also knew Persian. Now we will see something about the warrior community Khalsa. Guru Gobind Singh जी ने एक community बनाई थी, एक army, एक soldier community बनाई थी जिसका नाम था Khalsa. In order to make the Sikh community more strong and powerful, he formed the Khalsa community. This was known as the warrior community. So Sikh लोगों को और strong बनाने के लिए उन्होंने officially एक खालसा नाम की community बना दी. They had strict rules and he also introduced 5 Ks for the Khalsa. So अगर किसी सिख को खालसा कम्युनिटी में जुड़ना था, पार्टिसिपेट करना था, तो उसके कुछ रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस थे. स्पेशली द 5 Ks. क शब्द से के लेटर से स्टार्ट होने वाले ऐसी 5 चीज़ें जो डिफ़ाइन करते हैं कि आप एक खालसा मेंबर हो। द फर्स्ट वन इज़ केश। केश मतलब बाल, विच इज़ अनकट हेयर और अनट्रिम्ड हेयर। इसका मतलब द पीपल हु एक्सेप्ट खालसा, they do not cut or trim their hair. Second, kangha. Kangha, which is a comb or a wooden comb. So if you are a member of Khalsa community, it is very important that your hair should be neat and tidy. So it is very important that you keep a kangha with you. Third thing is kada. Kada is a bangle or an iron or steel bracelet for the wrist. Fourth is kripan. Kripan, which means a sword or dagger. Sword, a very small sword. They take the sword and tie at their waist, and it is also sometimes known as a dagger, choti si talwar. Next and the last thing is kachhera, which are short pants. Okay, so the Sikh army, if you have seen in the movies, they don't wear full pants, they wear half pants which are up till their knees, and they are also known as short breeches. The Khalsa literally meant warriors, and it was not mandatory. Mandatory means compulsory, okay, for all the Sikh to follow Khalsa. So Khalsa का मतलब था warrior. Warrior is a person who fights, who is a fighter. So इसका ये मतलब नहीं था कि जो भी सिख है उन सबको खालसा एक्सेप्ट करना है. मैंडेटरी नहीं था, मतलब कंपल्सरी नहीं था. His Khalsa community became very strong and they had a new surname, Singh, that meant lion. So all the male members, all the male army members, initially they got their surname as Singh, and Singh means lion. The females were given the surname Kaur to be added after their first name. Now we will learn something about Sikh scriptures. A scripture, the word scripture came from the word script. So just now I told you all that script means written letters, symbols or characters. So let's see the special Sikh scripture, that is a holy book. Holy means something related to God or some good spirit. His contribution to the Sikh scriptures was immense. Everyone, the new word immense means huge. Huge means very big. Okay, so गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी का बहुत बड़ा योगदान था. जो सिख स्क्रिप्चर्स थे, होली बुक्स थी, उनमें वी विल सी कि उन्होंने किया क्या था. ही कंपाइल्ड मीन्स टू पुट टुगेदर और असेंबल्ड. उन्होंने सारी अलग अलग जितने भी 9 गुरु थे उनसे पहले, उनकी जो भी उनकी सीख थी, उनकी जो टीचिंग्स थी, जो अलग अलग जगहों पर लिखी गई थी, अलग अलग तरीक़ों से लिखी गई थी, उन सबको कंपाइल किया, उन सबको इकट्ठा किया, असेंबल किया, एंड ही मेड द गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब. एंड वन फाइनल बुक वॉज मेड which is known as Guru Granth Sahib. He also declare करना मतलब अनाउंसमेंट कर दिया उन्होंने ऐलान कर दिया that no human form but the Guru Granth Sahib holy book would be the ultimate, which is final Guru forever for the Sikhs. So ये ऐलान कर दिया कि अब से जितने भी 10 गुरुज थे आफ्टर गुरु गोबिंद सिंह हिमसेल्फ, अब कोई भी 11th गुरु ह्यूमन फॉर्म में नहीं होगा. बट उन्होंने ये जो स्क्रिप्चर होली बुक रेडी की है गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब, वही एक गुरु होंगे हमेशा के लिए, फाइनल गुरु, नो ह्यूमन फॉर्म गुरु. He devoted himself to the study of Hindu classics.